Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Coding.
What does the dictionary say?
The process or activity of writing computer programs.
Math rap.
Using a programming language with skill to share steps and instructions that computers will translate into commands of action and fun, like coding a game or making a robot run.
Math rap.
Why do coders hate the outdoors? All the bugs. Explain coding in your own words. Coding is a part of our everyday life. Where would you find examples of coding at a grocery store or at a school? If you had a robot at home and could code it to do anything, what 5 super tasks would you code it to be able to do? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!